Hi and welcome to the Malat cookery channel. So in this video I'm going to attempt to make homemade pizza in the air fryer. Right, so following on from the success of making Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer, surprised me more than anybody else, and I will put a link at the end of this video to that particular video. Going to try homemade pizzas. Now this isn't a recipe video, so there won't be any ingredients list at the end of the video like there normally is. It's just a little bit of fun to see whether it'll actually work. I am not that confident, tell you the truth. So let's crack on and get these pizzas made. Right, so to save time, I've already made a basic pizza dough. I have done this before on the channel, so I'll put a link to how to make basic pizza dough in the description below, so you can go and watch that if you like. Just going to divide this now into maybe 4 or 6 portions. Right, so I've gone for 4 portions, so these are 200 grams each, and I've got to try and fit them into there. I don't know whether to put a disposable basket in the bottom or whether to put them straight onto the metal. I'm going to try onto the metal first, I think. No, I might just put a basket in, because if it sticks to the bottom, my wife will kill me. So I've just got to try and work out how to shape these to go in there, and then we'll sort a topping out for them. Right, so I think that's roughly the shape that we're going to need. I've tried to keep away from the outside edge as much as possible because I'm hoping that that's going to puff up. So I'm going to do the same with the other 3, and like I say, we'll get some toppings on them and get them into the air fryer. Right, so I think I've come up with a cunning plan to get the pizzas into that deep tray within the air fryer, and that is to use these disposable trays, which for some reason my wife always insists that I use whenever I'm using the air fryer, but she doesn't. As this is a last minute thing, I haven't made any sauce. I would normally make my own base sauce. I found this in the cupboard, which is onion and garlic pasta sauce, so this will have to do. So as with making any homemade pizzas, you want to leave a little bit of the dough free around the edge. Don't cover that. I'm hoping these will puff up like they would in a pizza oven, but I'm not that confident, to tell you the truth. So sauce on, got some mature cheddar cheese. This is called Coastal. We buy this from Costco. It's honestly, we've been using this cheddar cheese for about 2 years now, or probably even longer. So if you're a Costco member and you've not seen this cheese, go and have a look. As I say, it's called Coastal. Some onion. So a little bit of onion on there. Some sliced green pepper. And I found some smoked pancetta. I've put the air fryer on, as you can probably hear in the background. That's preheating to 200 degrees centigrade. I have no idea how long this is going to take in the oven, but I'll put it on for 15 minutes and I'll probably check after 10 to see how it's going. And then luckily we had a little bit of mozzarella. I can put that over the top. Right, so the big reveal. Let's see what this looks like. Wow. Certainly a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to put this to one side. Right. Do you know what that is? That is not bad at all. I'm going to get something to get it off this paper. So this has taken 10 minutes. I'm glad I checked it now. There you go. Right, so let's get a better angle on this. Do you know what? I'm quite impressed with that. Right, so let's have a look at this. It's got a really nice soft crust. Let's have a taste. Oh wow. That actually tastes amazing. What I would probably do, and this is why it's always best with recipe videos to watch till the end, what I would probably do is reduce the heat down to maybe 180 and increase the cooking time from 10 to maybe 12 or 13 minutes. But as far as a first attempt at just a spur of the moment thing, that is absolutely delicious. So there you go, homemade pizzas in an air fryer. I'll tell you, the air fryer never ceases to amaze me, and basically it's just encouraging me to do even more mess. But this is absolutely delicious. As I said, I'll probably reduce that temperature down from 200 degrees centigrade and just increase the actual cooking time, just to make it a little bit, the base a little bit more crispy. But as it is, it's delicious. Very nice. So please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.